First loss, I don't think it was ever on the cards for a long, long time. So it's been good fun, he's still got it. He's 46 and so he's still got it.
You played international cricket for a decade at the highest levels. What mental discipline and routine helped you stay consistent throughout your career?
For me it was about making sure I covered my basics well. My basics about the technique, grooving my technique. I hit a lot of grooving in the net, so I did a lot of half volley hitting, a lot of cut shot hitting, a lot of defensive, trying to groove time again. And then to go alongside that, you worked on your fitness as hard as you could, because that's what kind of separated me from other players. Really, I'm not the most talented cricketer, but certainly worked hard.
Alastair, my question is too short. Who is the fearless batsman in this league?
The best batsman in this league?
No, fearless.
Fearless. I think Walton from yesterday, from the other team. First ball 6, first ball 4, second ball 4. It makes it look easy.
So you're enjoying in Goa?
Pardon?
You're enjoying in Goa cricket?
Oh yeah, I mean Goa is a beautiful place. I have never been here, so all the times I've been to India, I haven't been in India for 10 years or so. First time I've been to Goa, and I got out a couple of times to a little wander around, and I enjoyed it.
So how is the concept you are thinking of Legends Cricket League in Goa? I mean, the atmosphere and the overall picture of playing and.
I think if a tournament keeps its integrity, it's a really good tournament. I think it's there are a lot of some very good players playing in this tournament, and in particular like the local players, the local Indian players. It's a great opportunity for them to play, and they're probably the crucial ones. Really, they're the ones which I've been really impressed with in terms of keeping the standard and the competitive enough, because I think it's got to be competitive to be a good tournament.
Finally, what is the food you are looking forward to try here in Goa? What have you tried?
The fish, isn't it? If you're that close to the sea, there must be some good seafood.
So you have tried any particular dish?
Yeah, I mean the food in this hotel has been exceptional. So just downstairs buffet every night, different stuff. I'll probably put on 20 kilos when I've been.
Okay, you could tell us the dishes you've tried.
Well, just anything. I don't read what it says, but I look at it and go, I'll have that. Most of the curries and all the seafood I tend to have been sticking to, because obviously they must be dragged out of that sea close by.
You intend to stay a couple of days after the league?
Well, I can't really, because I've got a young family at home. I think my wife would like me to come back and help.
Okay. And now finally, what do you think? What are your chances? What do you think are the chances of the England squad for the upcoming T20 World Cup?
Actually, you start looking at that side and you go, well, actually, have they got a lot of bases covered? And I think they have. Often when you come to the subcontinent, it's about spinners in that middle period, being able to take wickets and keep it tight. And I think with the England option against Sri Lanka, they're playing certainly the one-day game. They bowled the most amount of spin ever. I know the wickets allowed it. So I think they've got a lot of options covered. I think we all know in T20 cricket it's all about getting on that roll early on. It's about getting those performances done and get a bit of confidence, because the game can change so quickly and little fine margins. But if you start winning those fine margins early, as a group, I think it helps. There's a lot of teams who can win this tournament.
Thank you so much for your time.